Hello guys, I'm going to explain you regarding revenue forecast and renewal add-on. How can we use it and why should we use it? As its name suggests, it enables smart visualization of revenue trends based on current orders and services due for renewal. It essentially enables prediction of revenue coming from recurring services in a specified number of days. Now see how we can use it. You will get following files in your add-on bundle. Open WHMCS folder and modules folder and add-ons folder. Here you will get renewal forecast folder. You just need to upload this folder in your WHMCS installation modules add-ons directory. Once you have uploaded that folder into that directory, you have to go set up add-on modules. You will see revenue forecast and renewal add-on here. Activate it and configure it. Enter a module license key and give access control to a role and click on save changes. It will show here. Now take an example how we can use it. Suppose we search services expiring in 7 days. So what result we are getting here? Let me explain you. It is giving all the pending renewals along with renewals due in next 7 days from the current date. Here we search for 7 days. There are some more criterias like product group, billing cycle, status, services amount range, follow up by, follow up creation date, follow up stages, follow up date. Based on that search criteria, it displays the result. It will show all the clients which can give revenue in upcoming days along with their recurrings. We can expand the detail tab. You can see all the recurrings of that client here. We will get this amount from this recurring. We will get total amount from that client and total amount which will come from all the clients in 7 days. You can add follow up for any recurring. Just click on follow up, enter follow up date, enter follow up note, select a follow up stage and click on save. Follow up added successfully. The last follow up will display here. There is a master for follow up stages. You can add follow up stages here. Just enter follow up stage, click on save button. It will show here. You can edit you can also delete a follow up stage. These follow up stages are showing here. And these follow up stages are also showing on follow up form. This. So this is the revenue forecast and renewal add-on, which forecast based on these search criterias. Thank you.